Oh yeah, welcome back. So I guess it's the fourth video. I let her warm up. I got the defrosted, it's all defrosted in there. No more smoke. I mean, it literally stopped as soon as I stopped recording the video. It stopped puffing smoke. So I don't got one of those cool video editing software, so I thought I'd throw some beats in there. Give you a little walk around again. Squeeze my big button here. Riding in the vat. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, dude. It's kind of fun driving this little thing. It's like a little go-kart. Everything works. Building powers coming on. Woo! Give you a little view here. Still got like a little vacuum leak. I can't really find the same size like micro hose that this thing is using. I mean, the car's not fast, but it does get out of its way. Brake test. She stops. Whip her around here. I mean, this is what you get for it. Back in the day, I used to buy these cars for $50. You know, I had three of them. I had an 81, an 82, an 84, and we demoed one, and it only lasted. Literally, got took out in the first hit by a Pinto, much superior car, if I might add. Better engine, frame, all that stuff, chassis. Anyways. The other one I just used for parts from 81, and I ended up scrapping it along the way. And my mom had a T1000 that she daily drove for a long time that was the same color blue as this car. So it's kind of cool. I thought I'd take you guys for a little Sunday ride. Give her the beans here. Listen to that four-banger rev. Oh yeah, that's 55. 60. Woo! Wide open. Yeah, I can't wait for it to snow. I'm gonna put some new ice tires on this thing and frickin' send it. So stay tuned.